Hey divas, what better for us to enjoy on a beautiful Saturday morning than a delicious breakfast? Most days during the week, we're on the go. We don't really have time to make ourselves, our family members, or our bae or boo or whoever it is we're making breakfast for. I love a good breakfast on Saturday, if not a brunch, because sometimes we like to sleep in, right? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this delicious vegan breakfast. And trust me, as I love to say over here, you will not believe it is vegan. It's so delicious, and I cannot wait to show you guys step by step how to make it. First, I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, the main ingredients, the proteins we're gonna be using to make our sandwich, and here they go. And guys, that is your Impossible sausage patty. And then I'm using some field roast links to go on the sandwich as well. And as we build this sandwich together, guys, you are going to be blown away at how delicious this vegan sandwich is. And if you're not vegan, you will be amazed as well. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys step by step. Here we go. And you know what's happening next? I'm gonna meet you guys at the stove. Look at that, guys. That looks absolutely amazing. Okay guys, and now that we've done all the cooking for this delicious breakfast sandwich, we are going to assemble it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I'm gonna also be using some of my Renaissance sauce. And I'm gonna make a deal with you guys that once this video gets at least, I'm gonna be fair, I'm gonna say once this video gets at least 500 views. I'm not even asking for a lot. So if you share the video, we get 500 views and get the sub count up, guys, over here. I'm gonna show you guys how I make this sauce. This is gonna be a huge staple in your kitchen. If you're even if you're not vegan, this sauce is absolutely delicious. And I'm not just saying that because I made it. I'll be more than happy to walk you guys through how I make it so that you can taste it. It is a staple that you do not want to miss out on. Just having this in your kitchen, you're gonna be able to instantly make any vegan recipe, almost any vegan recipe that you have, taste absolutely delicious, guys. So anyway, get this video up to 500 views. Make sure that you share it on your Facebook pages. And the minute it hits 500 views, guys, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious sauce. But anyway, I'm gonna be using this sauce on my sandwich this morning. If being that you guys wouldn't have this handy, if you just want to use like a regular, cheese to melt on your sandwich, is going to be, delicious as well. But anyway, I'd much rather you guys be using this. So get this video up to 500 views and I'm going to keep my word and come on here and show you guys how to make this sauce step by step. This sauce is delicious on everything. This sandwich, I'm going to be putting it on. If you want to make you some fries, and what I love is having it handy. You can actually just grab it and make anything delicious like in the moment, or make you some fries and put it on there. If you make yourself a sandwich, a vegan sandwich, with a vegan burger, just do whatever it is that you're eating. You can put some on there, guys. If you're doing tacos, if you're doing just whatever, almost everything, you can use this sauce, guys. And I have other tricks up my sleeve as well that I love to show you guys. But for this video particularly, once this video gets 500 views, I'm gonna keep my word. I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this sauce step by step. It is delicious, it is amazing, it is a vegan must-have in your kitchen. When you're hungry and you want something really, really good to eat, you no longer have to be running around trying to figure out how to make make something taste good or great, or just eat something and not really, if you don't really have time to sort of elevate that flavor, guys, or make it, step it up or whatever. This is your go-to. You can use this on almost anything that you want to use it on. So anyway, guys, once again, 500 views. Share this video on your Facebook page. Share it in your groups, send it to your friends, get it to 500, and I'm gonna keep my word and come here and show you guys how to make this delicious sauce. But anyway, let's get into this sandwich. I cannot wait. So here we are, guys, our finished delicious breakfast sandwich. I know what you guys must be thinking. This is ridiculous. How can we even eat this sandwich? Trust me, we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna cut it in half, guys, as I would advise you to as well. Over here, guys, when we make sandwiches that look like this, you know how you see those beautiful pictures at the restaurant and you look at the menu and the sandwich looks like it is just some big, monstrous, delicious heap of goodness, and when you get it, it looks like what just happened, like false advertisement. This is actually you making a delicious breakfast sandwich. If you want to take something out of it, then feel free, Anyway, just being a little extra over here, but let's dig into this, guys. I cannot wait. Guys, it is absolutely delicious. And Phil Roast is nothing new. They always make great products. That egg on there is delicious. But I have to truly, honestly admit, But this sauce, guys, let's look at that. Where it just oozes out. It's absolutely taking this sandwich to another level. That is amazing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please do like, please do go ahead, and if you have not already, click that subscribe button. Please do make sure you share this video so I can come back and show you guys how to make the sauce, the Renaissance sauce. It is a delicious sauce. Like I said, you want it around for anything. You want to put it on burgers, fries, baked potatoes, whatever you want to have it on, guys. It is absolutely delicious. I'm not going to steer you wrong over here. I hate disgusting food. Like, let's be sure, okay? And you can trust me, if you're making my recipes and you're tasting them, you understand that I'm not over here just making things up, guys, and telling you something just for the sake of a video. These are delicious recipes, and I'm willing to bet you and guarantee you that you're gonna love these recipes, guys. I love good food. I'm a foodie. I've been foodie almost all my life. So anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Please do like, please do share. Share. Click that button, go ahead, click copy, post it on your Facebook page. Help us out over here, grow the channel. Let's grow together, guys. And remember, once this video hits 500, I'm gonna circle back and I'm gonna teach you how to make this delicious sauce so you have it in your refrigerator for you to use anytime you like. And this doesn't just have to be used on vegan, guys. This sauce is going to be a crowd pleaser for any dish you put it on. This is gonna be handy, guys. You can use it on whatever you want to use it on. But I'm gonna be showing you more and more recipes on which I'll be, using it. And so you guys can have, a great idea of how versatile this sauce is, guys. Please do like, please do share, please do subscribe. Do not miss my videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, dropping at 11 a.m. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can see when the next time we are in the kitchen, guys. I love you guys, and whatever you miss, don't miss this.